In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop iCloud backup on your iPhone. Whether you're looking to free up some space, conserve battery life, or simply manage your data backup preferences manually, turning off iCloud backup is a straightforward process. Let's walk through the steps together, ensuring you have all the information you need to make the change confidently. First, you'll need to tap the settings icon on your iPhone. It's the one that looks like a little gear typically located on your home screen. Once you're inside the settings menu, you'll see various options, but what we're interested in today is your Apple ID settings. So go ahead and tap your Apple ID name, which should be prominently displayed right at the top of the list. This area houses all your personal information and associated services. Next up is the iCloud section. Once you are in your Apple ID menu, you should see an option labeled iCloud. Tapping this will bring you to a whole new set of options revolving around your iCloud services. Here you can manage your storage, view every app that's using iCloud, and a whole lot more, but the focus today is specifically on iCloud backup. Now once you've found yourself in the iCloud section, you'll want to scroll down until you see iCloud backup. It's typically towards the lower part of this menu, so a little scrolling might be needed. Tap on it once you've spotted it. This section is where you control whether your iPhone automatically backs up its data to iCloud when connected to Wi-Fi, plugged in and locked. Finally, the main event. You'll see a switch next to the iCloud backup option. All you need to do is toggle this switch to the off position. When you do this, you'll be disabling the automatic backups that iCloud performs. It's a decision that places you in control. Afterward, you can manually back up your data whenever you choose, or simply decide that you prefer other methods of data backup. Remember, turning this feature off means that your device will no longer automatically back up data to iCloud. This might save space and reduce data usage, but make sure you have another form of backup if you ever need to restore your data in the future. And that's it, you've successfully stopped iCloud from automatically backing up your iPhone. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, feel free to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Until next time, take care and stay tech savvy.